No, sir. This is not good.
Oh, just see it, people. See it. It's a good look.
How?
Show him what look up woman, I go get him.
And me never say so. Me I say. No, you not hate him for we have. We are going to hate him for. But everybody have you have. Because Judge said, bless the look much that you have.
Yeah.
He said the look much that you receive, you forgive thankful for.
Believe.
He never talk about for brother one, you know. He said, you look much.
Firework.
If you know, I go depend on your brother. You know, if he's them, I go tell him, I go show you something. I already have him, I go say, no sir. You have to go fishing. And give you hook. And he give you blood clot line. You hear me? And if you blood clot, you go river, you like it, some pussy clot fish.
Where's the name, man? That no one, no one edit no one. It's a good look TV. How you run go? Eh? You have a different attack, you know, I mean? Are your name bad L-line, eh?
What is wrong with that? Eh? Talk to me no man. No, but what I'm saying, you just know that. Eh? Every man a man. Every man is a man.
Yeah, that's right.
So what?
But and every man
Every man what?
think about say them a man.
I mean,
You know,
think,
say them, every man is a man.
when think about,
But they don't act like a man.
when act like,
They act like a little boy thing like all them a grow.
a little boy they act like,
Yeah, they not
or they mind act little boyish. They a big man but they mind little boyish.
then that not true, so that them a try to come back to them little boy where it can't be. Or if it be.
Man is a man.
That man is
Man more than man do.
Man more than man.
yeah.
Yeah,
But depend
In what way?
you know with depends.
man in a many way.
Many way.
Yeah.
Cause a man kinda more little category more me and you.
You just want you define say,
Yeah.
there is man
You have a
over
pint,
man.
you have- No, you have a pint, nigga. What you mean?
You have
See,
to
it's a
know
paper
yourself.
them, man, because we want to learn, you know.
Yeah, you have to know yourself. And there is nothing but out of yourself. All things come forth out of you, you know. All forth.
See, man.
All things come forth out of you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you meditate wrong, the word for your mouth and the meditation for your heart, you accepted amongst your brother and your sister. Much more in sight of the Almighty. So you make sure you know say that if the way I speak with, make sure you know say no flitter, you flitter.
No, man, a real thing.
And
talk
not
about,
deceitful,
man.
you are deceitful.
Yo.
I don't know, mocking thing, I go mocking
No,
thing.
no. Yo, nigga. Yo,
Yo,
yeah, what I say, man.
yeah, but I listen
Alright.
here. I don't know, rum thing, I don't know, rum thing.
thing.
I don't know, what I cheer by the wine thing. I don't know, fun thing.
I know buy, I know
You know?
rum. What? I know rum buy me.
Original.
And me buy rum.
Hey, you buy your rum.
Yes, cause I me drink rum.
So we know why you make no matter about the rum thing.
What is rum thing for you?
Yeah. I mean, the rum you come talk about a junk thing. Whatever the junk thing around here.
I don't lie.
You see, in the earth, you know, the greatest thing in the earth right now is mankind to understand themselves.
Well, that is a point. That is right,
And
but
for you understand yourself, listen, you see, if black man did understand himself, we rule the whole universe. Listen, yo, you see, if black man didn't understand himself, you see, all the white man and the white pursue, you see, and the Indian and the
black man
and
hard
the
to
Chinese.
themselves, you know.
Go on, no?
Black man hard to themselves must say, I and I know.
Every nation for every continent have the bow to I and I, you know, black
Yeah, we're full of powers.
You know. Oh, you mean? Are we a youngest nation? But we not no love, we not no unity.
Why?
We not
You know, say they
we not build each other.
You know, say they
Talk
don't
to
have to bow to it.
Eh?
They don't have to bow to it, you know.
Why?
Because we don't have to bow to other what.
If the black man-
But I know, we don't have to bow to one another, you know. All we have to do is just love and unity.
When me say
And just do
We
the
not
thing
gonna
that
bow,
we
you know,
know
You see the power
Yeah,
of that?
yeah, see me.
You see the power of black man got?
The power, I see power, me I tell you I. Yeah, I see power.
A black man have him, a black man, he say black man never come together.
Power,
Again, me I tell you.
For real.
Unity. Oi, you say love spell easy.
Yeah.
You see unity, it's big and love.
Yeah.
And that man enough away. No continue do unity. I really say love. Yo, enough of me even know what is love.
What is love, Mela?
Love is unity. And unity is love.
See him ball game. Love is loyalty. You can't say love ain't a loyal, you can't say love ain't a unite, you see me? Yeah man, a real talk.
Love is the foundation. Love is the foundation of this aggregation that we have been facing on planet Earth. Love is the what? The foundation. So if you don't have no love,
You know, say,
you don't know God. And if you don't know God, you don't know love. The first thing, you have to love yourself first, and you love God, love who around you. And then you share.
Hey,
See him, yeah.
you know, say we take love too easy. That way, it will be. We take love too easy.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah, not for we take it that way. But you see the real man we know what is love. Eh? Eh?
Yeah.
And that him I live with.
Love.
I say Rasta, you see you? No matter if he say, yeah, you want a real Rasta man. Remember me tell you.
Yeah.
You never know. But I just show sometimes never, yo, John.
Is it love? Eh?